Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This video is completely, well, this set is completely inspired by Tracy Lou. My client came with Tracy's picture and there was no need for changes really. This set is just beautiful. Anyway, so I'm doing her pinky full color. I am using Pumpkin Pie from CJP and I'm also using my Tracy Lou brush size 10 as per usual. So I'm pressing that around her cuticle area, against her side walls. Yes, he's a baby here. Always and forever with me. Yeah, so I'm pressing that onto her nail as thin as I can, but also make sure I get full coverage all over her nail. This nail is the same. It's quite of a simple but really beautiful set. 3 of the nails are this color and 2, the ring finger and middle finger, are just a bit different. So yeah, I make sure I press that onto the nail. Don't forget about my side walls. And drag the color down. Here I am taking black diamonds from CJP and I'm just blending that in the center. Not really bothered about that because we're gonna have gold glitter almost everywhere and the black is just gonna peek from underneath. I think Tracy used only black magic, but I just don't know. I went with the flow and well, I could see the picture, so yeah, I saw the video after that. So yeah, I'm applying that towards the tip. The glitter that I'm using is, it's not the same that Tracy used, but it's the one that I found from Tracy because I thought it was appropriate to use one of her glitters. And this is champagne gold, I think. I have also mixed this glitter with 24K from the Glitter Planet UK, purely because this chunky glitter is quite chunky, so I wanted something fine in it too, so I can blend it towards the tip. And yeah, they just blend really well together. Doing the same on this finger. forever and ever encapsulating all my nails with crystal glass. And I think I'm showing you just like 2 nails, I believe, because my camera died after that, so. I have done all my filing off camera, and I know they're not perfect, but I'm trying to use my e-file to put them into shape, and it's a bit harder than I thought, so but I'll get there. But I think that they're quite good. So I'm using my top coat as per usual, the CJP top glass, and I'm applying that on every single nail and then pop it in my lamp for 30 seconds. We have also applied some cuticle oil, and this is the final look. I hope you like it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.